Okay, I want to teach you how to make Korean food simply and easily. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hobak Buchimgae. Hobak is a zucchini or squash. Buchimgae is a pancake. Zucchini pancake need one zucchini and then half a cup of flour and then one can of clam and then quarter size of bell pepper and then quarter size of jalapeno. First, you can cut zucchini, slice thinly as much as you can. Arrange well. Then we will cut julienne thinly as much as I can. Cut bell pepper. So julienne first. And then dice small. Then put it in the bowl. I like spices, so I choose the jalapeno. But if you don't like spicy, you don't need to put it in. And then we can add flour, half cup. Juice and then mix it. It's pretty simple. First, turn on high heat and pour 1 tablespoon of oil and wait until pan heated. When pan is heated, turn down medium-high and pour the batter on the pan. And then spread evenly. About 4 or 5 minutes later, you can see the small hole. That means it's time to flip over. After flip over, add about 1 teaspoon of oil more. This oil makes the more crispy on the bottom. So wait about 4 or 5 minutes later, you can eat it. It's ready to eat. So before I eat, I'm going to show you how to make soy sauce for this zucchini pancake. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then this is optional. So Korean gochugaru hot pepper. Pretty simple. It's really crispy and delicious. You have to try it right now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification. See you next time.